All right, let's check back with meteorologist Robert Suhr, talking about what's in store for us, not just overnight, but heading into the week. A lot of people, matter of fact, going to Little Rock from this area for the inauguration, obviously, and all the different events happening.
I'm sure there'll be plenty of drinking around the inauguration. Plenty of people celebrating.
It's ending for them. Yeah, it's timed out just like that.
Yes.
Yeah. Bourbon and cigars, right?
That's right.
That's one of the events at the inauguration.
One of the events, and the weather should not be a problem for the inauguration or for a good part of the week, actually. Let's start with a look at that inauguration forecast. If you're going to go see Sarah Sanders, put her hand on the good book, and take the oath of office, shouldn't be a problem weather-wise. Temperatures into the 50s by the time we get to lunchtime. I think probably 54 or so around 10:30 when they take the oath of office there. And nice on Tuesday, and actually really not bad for a good part of the week. We're going to see above average temperatures for at least the first half of the week. Little in the way of impactful rainfall, and by impactful rainfall I mean, you know, that'll mess up your plans during the day. We could see some rain, but chances are it'll be while most of us are asleep this week. And then by later in the week, temperatures may actually fall back to where they should be for this time of the year. Darkness starting to take over as we're high atop the J.B. Hunt World Headquarters in Lowell, where it's 48 degrees. Winds are nice and light, 5 miles an hour. That's it out of the west. Notice that dew point, though, of 34. That's important. We'll circle back to that when I show you tonight's lows. Temperatures right now are in the 40s across northwest Arkansas. Things are nice and quiet atop Kavanaugh Hill in Poteau, where nice sunset is underway. You're at 48 in Poteau as well. River Valley, mostly lower 50s. Poteau's at a higher elevation, which is why they're a little bit cooler right now, but the River Valley will cool off as well as we go through the next couple of hours. Big picture, things are relatively quiet up and down. The I-49 corridor up through the I-29 corridor, all the way up to the international border north of North Dakota. That's what I meant to say. Some showers across the Intermountain West up near Seattle, and then some pesky showers here, southern Virginia, the Tidewater region, northeast North Carolina up toward the Outer Banks, seeing some rainfall as well. Tonight will be quiet, clear skies. Should allow temperatures to fall into the lower to mid 30s by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Then we'll start to see some clouds increase. Probably see more clouds than sunshine tomorrow, especially the second half of the day. But they should clear out, and then more sunshine than clouds on Tuesday, kind of this back and forth. Tonight we could also see just a little bit of fog develop. River Valley, maybe Benton, Carroll County, much like what we saw this morning, because our low temperatures tonight in the lower 30s will get close to that dew point temperature. And when the air temperature and the dew point temperature get close to each other, you start to see the formation of that fog. And then we'll be in the 50s and lower 60s tomorrow. There's a look at the extended forecast, which really is nice and quiet over the next couple of days. There you can see what we're talking about with basically a very quiet week, and then a couple of showers possible Wednesday and into Thursday before temperatures get sliced by 20 degrees as a front rolls through here. But really, like I said to start off the show, a pretty benign weather pattern. Same thing for the River Valley, a couple of sprinkles Wednesday night and into Thursday, and then next weekend looks quiet as well. Stay with us. Meredith Mulkey is coming back. She's going to tell you if the Hogs went across the border and beat Mizzou today. That's after the break.